Hi guys, do you want to use email client to send personalized and more professional email? Okay, in this video I will show you how you can configure Mozilla Thunderbird and send email for free. So Mozilla Thunderbird is an email client where you can configure your email addresses and you can send emails. Now, before going to start, what is the advantage of email clients? I've already told you when I made videos about Outlook that in email client you can check your existing emails without internet, and you can apply various steps of formatting, signature while you are sending your email through an email client. Not only this, especially in Thunderbird, you can organize your email effectively. If you are supporting, then we will make videos for every steps. In this video, let's learn how to configure. First, you need to download the Thunderbird from thunderbird.net, or you can search Mozilla Thunderbird on the Google. You will get the site. It's a completely free software. I'll provide the link at the video description below as well as on our official Telegram channel. You can also download it from there. After downloading, you need to install this application or install that software. I have already installed in my PC, so let's open it.
Start with this Mozilla Thunderbird. Loading account setup document complimentary land.
When you open it for the first time, it will ask you to set up your account.
Restore account.
Let's
Email
see.
address edit required invalid.
Here you need to enter the email address. Before that,
Your full name edit required Alt plus Shift plus N.
first here you need to enter your full
Lang.
name. So let's say I'm entering my name.
Rat. Bat Lang. Rat.
So this will be your full name.
Rattle Basag.
Okay, so why full name? Because whatever you write here, when this name will show in your email list. Pressing tab,
Email address edit required invalid entry Alt
type your email address here.
K LUTAR. Rattlebasag official. Pass.
Then it will ask you to enter your password. So let me enter my password.
R M Circle R M Num lock on 1336 show password and clear.
So if you want, you can show the password.
Clickable remember password checkbox checked.
So you should check this box check.
Complimentary landmark configure manually button.
Configure manually and
Complimentary landmark cancel button Alt plus
Cancel.
Shift continue button Alt plus
continue.
Shift plus
So click on continue.
alert looking up configuration alert configuration.
So now Mozilla will find the configuration details from its
Restore
database.
R. Account setup. Done button Alt plus Shift complimentary landmark setup documentation link.
Okay,
Cancel button Alt complimentary cancel button done button Alt plus Shift.
just click on done button.
Alert checking password enter credential.
Once you're done button, it will ask you to enter the credentials again from your Google account. So let me enter
Edit
this.
read only selected sign and email or phone edit as auto complete Rattlebasag official admin.
So see, email address is already there. Now I'm pressing enter to enter the password.
Google accounts document busy enter your password edit.
Here I need to enter my password. Then press enter to go to the next step.
R M Num lock on 1336 Google accounts busy Google heading level 1 2-step verification heading level 2 Google
So now
accounts
here, as I have turned on the 2-step verification, I need to verify from my phone. So let's verify it. So once you finished, you need to click on
button I have responded from my phone
this button.
checkbox.
So I'm pressing enter.
Busy redirecting busy https/.
So now it will redirecting to your email server. Let's wait for a while. Okay, now here you need to give the permission. So press B,
Allow button.
press enter here to allow Mozilla Thunderbird to access your Gmail.
Unavailable. Account setup Mozilla Thunderbird. Alert looking up address books. Account setup.
Boom! Your email address is now configured with Mozilla Thunderbird. Now I'm pressing tab here
Complimentary landmark account settings button.
account settings,
end-to-end encryption button,
end-to-end encryption,
add a signature button,
add a signature. So I'm just pressing enter here,
account setting,
and it will take me to this
official
window. Now here I'm pressing tab until I hear
click account name, edit as auto, default email group, use signature text, edit multi-line,
signature text. So here I'm typing a signature.
Regards. Rat. At B. Regard. R. Best. B. T. I. W. With best regards. Rattle Basag. With best regards. W-I-T-8 space. A-T-I. B space. B space. Best regard. Rattle Basag. Lang. Rattle.
I have set my signature. Now I'm closing this by pressing Ctrl W.
Account setup document.
It's done. I'm pressing tab.
Download dictionaries. Complementer. Inbox Mozilla Thunderbird.
I have pressed Alt+1 to go to Mail tab. Here are another tabs also available like Calendar tab and Contacts tab and other tabs. And I'm pressing tab.
Toolbar. Tab control spaces. Toolbar vertical. Property page folders. Mail toolbar. Folder pane options button 3 of 6. Preview. Level 2 inbox. 5.
So here are the inbox.
Drafts 2 of 3 level 2.
Drafts.
Mail expanded 3 of 3 level 2.
So here are the folders of Gmail.
Draft inbox level 1 Retulbasak official at
Okay,
mail.com.
so then this is the email ID.
Level 2 inbox.
Under the email under the inbox.
Filter these messages.
If you want to check this
Preview. Folder
mail,
pane options button 3 of 3. Filter these messages.
tab.
Control plus shift preview. Level 1 WordPress developer role.
see this is the emails.
Going digital number 49. Rattle here. Alert to email marketing is not a rocket science. Mentorcity is high. How to stop new on it. Alert to protect your Romy Mukherjee share the post.
Okay, so this is my emails, and this is how you can easily configure your email with Thunderbird. If you want to know more about how to send emails and how to formatting emails using Thunderbird, let me know in the comment section. Depending on your support, depending on your demand, we will make videos on Thunderbird. That's it for today. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you find this content useful, press the like button and make sure to subscribe to this channel to get more videos for free. See you soon in another interesting video. Till then, stay safe, take care. Thanks for watching.